What is up, my good people? This is Jamie Durham. This is going to be my first hiking video on my page. I am just a regular novice hiker. I wouldn't say I'm a beginner, but I'm not advanced, kind of in between there. I don't have much experience, but we're here in Zion National Park, Utah. We're going to do Angel's Landing. Got my crew here. Got Lindsay, Matt, and Steven.
You taking pictures of our butts, man? I'm looking at the trees all the way to the top. It's like, that's what we're going to be grabbing onto.
Yeah, I know.
We're just over a mile and
Feeling the burn.
feeling the burn. Got it.
Sweet.
It's fucking sick.
What's happened, dude? That's a stellar shot,
That is
dude.
fucking sweet.
Dude.
It's like a magazine.
It looks like a painting, dude.
This stretch of the video is just going to be me huffing and puffing. I think we go up here, and this is where the final destination is, I believe. Right there. But we will find out. That's why we're here, right?
So we're on the right side of the chain, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would make sense.
You gotta hold on to the chain so you don't fall.
Yeah.
You can't lean against it.
Yeah, 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 because it's got a lot of like, you kind of like, I'm just gonna like pull myself up kind of thing. I'm not even scared at all, guys.
Serious?
No, I'm just kidding. Terrified.
I know, it's everything.
Ready?
Here we go.
Questions that need to be answered now. Been swallowing the words, and I've had enough to wait. Things seem to be in place. Turn around and get smacked in the face. The writing's on the wall. Can I get away?
I don't know where to go from here.
Yeah, I don't.
How's it going?
Going pretty good. How about you?
Good. Through here? Is
Yep.
this the way right there? Okay.
Yeah, you'll see the trail. It's pretty established.
Okay, cool.
There's a girl sitting around the corner. Let's go past her. I think the fence is, the chain's put
Chains.
back up.
Okay, cool. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Have a good one, man.
You too.
the script. I'm gonna write the ship now, and it happens over and over again. I know the drill. When the looks get killed, yeah, I see it happen over and over again.
How are you looking? I can go up or down.
Well, let's come over here and see if we get. Looks like a pretty good picture shot.
Show point.
It's right there. All right, you ready?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. There's only one way to find out, huh?
All right, man.
All right, chains are our friend. Hi, chains.
Best of luck to you guys.
Thank you.
Same to you.
Hopefully you don't read about us in the paper.
Listen to me, putting up my guard again. It's my time. Gonna flip the script. I'm gonna write the ship now, and it happens over and over again. I know the drill. When the looks get killed, yeah, I see it happen over and over again. Over and over again. Bouncing around in my head. No chance of being friends.
Okay, we're about 4.5 miles in. We're about halfway through the spine, is what they call it, because it's just a row of these really narrow chunks of rock that resemble a spine, I think.
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why they call it that. The views are just incredible. It's really scary, I will say. They have these chains that you can just hold on to throughout the parts that get really narrow, and I mean there's literally 1,000-foot drop on both sides. So the chain has been our friend.
Thanks. Motivating. Thanks. Okay.
Don't look down. All right, one more final push.
Do it, man.
Got it?
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm more ready than I was before we started.
Holy shit. Yeah. No way.
No way.
Cause I'm gonna move along and take my pride with me. Communication breaking apart at the seams. Paralyzing structures washed away my dreams. It didn't take very long to realize it's just the weight of the world. I feel the weight of the world. It's just the weight of the world. You see the top and continue to climb, but it's all an illusion.
Well, I think this is the highest point.
Take a picture for it.
Sweet.
What's your name? Rex. Rex. Nice to meet you. I'm Steve. This is Jamie. Sorry there.
I just don't want to lose my balance.
I know.
Yo!
Get up here.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. All right, now that we made it to the top, that's half the battle. It's round 2, which is making our way down.
It's just the weight of the world. I feel the weight of the
Oh, that's insane. That is so cool. Oh, look at you. All right, you did it.
Did you do it?
I had to. You set the bar.
That's true, yeah.
Yeah, this one right here, this little stretch is whew.